How to manage categories options. The Access and Sharing tab within the Categories settings provides a comprehensive control suite for managing the availability, accessibility, and sharing aspects of categories. Who can access it? All account and portal viewers. Enable all registered users on the portal and the parent portal. Account to view and access the category, and all the category content will be accessible. All portal viewers. Enable to allow all registered viewers to access the category. Anonymous viewers. This allows anonymous viewers to see the categories and their content. Keep in mind that anonymous users should only be able to view, not access, the categories. Furthermore, if subcategories inherit the rights of the main categories of anonymous viewer access, anonymous users can also view the subcategories and their content. Limited share only. Enable to allow the uploader to set limited sharing for the category. In case of limited sharing, the Moderator Plus users will have access to the categories. How to access it? From Portal Library, each portal has a dedicated media library where users can search for published media files. Mark as featured. On the portal's homepage and also on the category homepage there is a featured presentation list of media files and categories.